Mark from Go Fast Hobbies and Raceway, here with you on a Wednesday for Unboxing Wednesday. Today, we're going to unbox the Customworks Beast Midget Kit, a new release this summer from them, and we'll see what's inside the box. So going ahead, we'll open this bad boy up here. Let's see what we got. So, get instruction manual, decal sheet. It's a really nice decal sheet. And let's see what's in here. It's the cage. Now I do know this cage is the same cage that the GFRP Midget uses, as well as this body kit is the same. So it's kind of neat, kind of a spec cage. It comes with a header as well, and then the body panel. It actually says GFRP Midget on it. So answers that question. So set that stuff over here. See what other kind of components are in here. Nice how it's all packed in one bag so I don't get lost in the box, kind of move shuffled around. So, chassis bag here. Get this opened up so we can look at it, see what we got inside. Pull chassis plate out. Nice carbon fiber, shiny carbon. Front suspension arms, pickup blocks, caster blocks. Stuff's all very nicely labeled. Be really nice for someone that hasn't assembled very many car kits to assemble. See here, it's all labeled. Carbon fiber front bumper, turnbuckles, camper links, and then the bell crank, which has a dual bell crank set up in it. So all the components it comes with: carbon fiber shock tower, carbon fiber front bumper, carbon fiber chassis plate, and the aluminum pickup blocks. Very similar to the Outlaw or the Rocket as far as the front end goes. So we'll set that stuff aside here, open up the next bag, see what we got. Rear suspension. Transmission bag does come with their standard stand-up tranny in it. Adjustable motor plate, which is a nice option. And also the ball diff, which is required by the rules by the Midget. And it comes with a spur gear as well. Battery strap, mounts, comes with the weight plate for the battery strap. You see it. We'll go over to see the shocks. It does come with the big bore shock kits. Turn that around. It's standard. Another thing that's nice about the Customworks car kit for people that have never assembled car kits, it does come with a simple tool bag with Allen wrenches and a turnbuckle wrench too. Rear suspension bag, dog bones, or CVAs, excuse me. Looks like titanium turnbuckles throughout the car. Rear hubs, plastic hubs, carbon fiber rear shock tower, camber link mount, and a tail tank mount for the tail tank. So, really complete kit. It's really labeled well. It's really put together well. And then wheel nuts come in a separate bag. Does not come with any tires or wheels or electronics. You'll need that to complete the kit. Very well laid out kit. Once again, it comes with a instruction manual here. Kind of look at the instruction manual. Kind of tells you what you need to put it together right here, first page. Really in depth. Look through it for a durable car, especially. So yeah, really nice piece. I know we sold quite a few of these, but yeah, another nice kit by Customworks. Check it out. GoFastHobbies.com. All this stuff's available there. Hopefully this gives you guys some insight on what the Beast Midget looks like. And I will talk to you on the next Unboxing Wednesday.